Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can secure a Divi WordPress website. So here you can see this is my demo website. Let me log in, and after that now let's go to dashboard. Here you can see plugin section. Just you can install a plugin. Search for WordPress. Here you can see this is the plugin that has 4 million plus active installations and 4.8 rating. So just you can install, and now activate this plugin. And notice one thing, this plugin has free variant as well as premium. So you can purchase premium to unlock all the features. For example, you can secure your website as well as you can perform scanning and various other options. So just you can get your free license. Now here you can see these are the packages. Click here to get a free license. So just here you can add your own email address. Okay, here you can see license key has been sent. So now we can copy this license key, and after that go back, then click here, go to WordPress, and then click here dashboard. So now add license key, and on the top add email address. Then click here install license, and after that make sure that you have accepted these terms and conditions. Now here you can see free license is installed. Okay, thank you.